Did you know the average person spends over 12,000 hours vacuuming in a lifetime? That's almost a year and a half of your life gone. What if you could hand off all that cleaning and never even touch the dustbin for 90 days? Welcome back, folks. Today we're diving into the top 6 best self-emptying robot vacuums that'll do the dirty work while you kick back. All the links are in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Let's see which one deserves a spot in your home and which one wins it all. On number 6, SwitchBot K10 Pro. Kicking things off, the SwitchBot K10 Pro is the tiniest robot on this list, but don't let the size fool you. With 3000 PA of suction and an ultra-compact dock that holds up to 90 days of dirt, it is engineered for maximum convenience in small homes and apartments. Its slim 7-inch diameter allows it to slide effortlessly under furniture and tightly dodge chair legs, all while staying whisper quiet thanks to its quiet motor technology. Smart home fans will love the seamless integration with Alexa and Siri for voice-controlled cleaning. However, its mopping function is a simple water drag system using a disposable wet wipe, which is more for light dust suppression than scrubbing dried stains. Still, if you are extremely short on space and want a low-maintenance set-it-and-forget-it solution, this is a solid and unique entry point. Compared to beefier options like the ECOVACS or Dreame, it's clear this one's built for simplicity and maneuverability, not heavy-duty deep cleaning jobs. Number 5, ECOVACS Deebot N8 Pro Plus. The Deebot N8 Pro Plus significantly ups the game from the SwitchBot with stronger performance and smarter features, making it a reliable mid-range choice. It delivers better suction at 2600 PA and utilizes True Detect 3D obstacle avoidance technology to accurately identify and dodge common household clutter like shoes and cables, minimizing getting stuck. Its Osmo mopping system is more refined than a simple drag, and it smartly detects carpets, automatically boosting vacuum power and avoiding wetting the fibers. The self-emptying base uses disposable bags and typically holds about 60 days of debris. The ECOVACS app provides full control for detailed mapping, setting no-go zones and customizing cleaning modes. It excels on hard floors and low-piled carpets, offering a massive upgrade over the K10 Plus for mixed-floor homes. But if you want true scrubbing mop power or ultra-high suction on thick rugs, you'll need to look further up the list. On number 4, Dreame X30 Ultra. Now we're talking serious near-flagship power and automation. The Dreame X30 Ultra packs a colossal 8,300 PA suction, more than triple the SwitchBot, giving it exceptional deep cleaning capability on carpets. 2. Its mopping is elite, featuring dual spinning mop pads that extend dynamically to clean corners and edges and scrub using 140 DGF hot water, making it highly effective against stubborn stains. 3. Crucially, the robot auto removes the mops entirely when returning to the dock or crossing carpets, ensuring no contamination. The comprehensive base station is a true hub of automation. It empties the dustbin, refills the water tank, washes the mops with hot water, and dries them with hot air. 4. That sleek tech and automation come with a premium price tag, and the deep settings in the Dreame Home app may feel overwhelming at first. Still, if you're after elite ultra-low effort cleaning, this one is a beast. Better than both the N8 Pro Plus and K10 Plus in almost every quantifiable way. On number 3, Shark IQ Robot Self-Empty XL RV121AE. The Shark IQ robot delivers solid, reliable value, particularly for pet owners. It uses methodical row-by-row cleaning for consistent coverage and includes robust Alexa and Google Assistant support. Its greatest strength is its bagless, self-emptying base, which is budget-friendly and stores up to 45 days of dust and debris. The robot itself features a self-cleaning brush roll designed to actively separate hair and prevent tangles, making it highly appealing for homes with shedding pets. However, the IQ's older navigation technology lacks the True Detect 3D obstacle avoidance and LiDAR precision of the top contenders, and its vacuum power struggles somewhat on thick, medium-pile carpets and with very large debris. Furthermore, the lack of multi-level mapping might frustrate users in multi-story homes. Compared to the feature-rich Dreame and ECOVACS, it lacks polish, but its excellent price-to-performance ratio and unique bagless dock make it appealing for budget-conscious, high-shedding homes. On Number 2, TP-Link Tapo RV30 Max Plus. Affordable doesn't mean basic, and the Tapo RV30 Max Plus proves it by blending high-end specs with smart home simplicity. It offers a powerful 5300 PA suction and utilizes accurate LiDAR navigation to map rooms with precision and speed, allowing users to set exact boundaries and cleaning zones. The included self-emptying base uses a large 3-liter disposable bag for up to 60 days of hands-free dirt storage. The mopping function is where it lags behind the flagships. It's a basic water drag system that lacks the sonic scrubbing or pad lifting capabilities of the Dreame or our final pick, but for underdogs, this one punches well above its price range by offering both high suction and LiDAR mapping, a combination that typically costs much more. Against the Shark and SwitchBot, the Tapo wins for its advanced navigation and smart home integration. It's the best pure vacuuming robot for the budget-minded smart tech enthusiast. On number 1, ECOVACS Deebot X8 Pro OMNI. Topping the list is the ECOVACS Deebot X8 Pro OMNI, a true powerhouse that redefines hands-free cleaning. This robot delivers a jaw-dropping 18,000 PA suction, yes, 18,000, which utterly devours everything from fine dust to large pet hair clogs, making it arguably the most powerful vacuum in its class. 5. It features Zero Tangle 2 technology on its roller mop, actively cleaning hair clogs as it works. 6. The real magic is in the sophisticated 12-in-1 OMNI mode OMNI station. It not only auto-empties the dustbin and refills the water tank, but also auto-washes the mop roller with hot water, $7.4075 to the power of 6 text, and dries it with hot air, eliminating the growth of bacteria and odors. 8. It's like having a cleaning butler on wheels, complete with auto edge cleaning and intelligent AIVI 3D obstacle avoidance. While it carries a premium price, its combination of insane suction, continuous self-cleaning mop, and comprehensive self-maintaining dock delivers the most complete and hands-off experience available, undercutting other flagships in overall value. Oh, which one wins? The ECOVACS Deebot X8 Pro OMNI takes the crown. From its insane 18,000 par suction and self-cleaning mop roller to its intelligent navigation and all-in-one hot water washing dock, it's the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it robot vacuum. If you're looking for the best combination of performance, innovative mopping, and complete hands-free maintenance, this is the definitive winner. So, what do you think? Would you trust a robot to clean your home for months without lifting a finger? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more smart home gear reviews, and ring that bell so you never miss an upload. All the links are in the description, so go check them out and see which one's right for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.